good morning, everybody. Are you okay? Huh? Yeah. Don't blink. This whole day is going to be all about don't blink. But I think that's what voice of the customer is with quality and reliability. Don't blink. You'll miss it, right? Change is a constant given nowadays. We don't expect it. It just is. These days are like turbulent white water. Talking about change. The least amount of coins to make 49 cents, and you may only have one coin in your hand apiece. Collaborate now.
How can we go
The reason we did what we just did was to prove a point about change. We can collaborate together and still not understand it because we speak a different language, we have different money, you know. But the bottom line is who's the customer? If the customer was using euro only or yen or whatever, you know, we got to speak their language. God bless you all. You're here. You're part of a great team. We're here to renew and revive, recommit. We're going to go downstairs and do our first drive today. That track is different than the one I shared with you. They've surprised me. We're driving counterclockwise, not clockwise. There aren't going to be other people out there on the track getting in our way. It's all about you.
We do communicate with you by flags out there. Flags are right there. Different colored flags mean different things out there, and it's very important that you understand that. So we'll show you a safety video. It's going to go over all the rules, everything you need to know, and if you have any questions afterwards, feel free to ask.
And you got applause from Ali. He doesn't applaud for anybody. And he says, this is great teamwork. You're working well together. Everybody must now stand up. Even though you're thousands and thousands of miles apart, text each other, email each other, call each other, and motivate each other, just like we're about to do right now. Ready? Okay. Begin.
Go Florida! Go Florida! Oh, that's what
Oh, come on. Be the ball. Be the problem. Solve it. Be the solution. You've got to follow through. Take it easy. Yay! With trust, we can now raise our hands in our groups and say, my God, that was an exhilarating experience. By the way, if you had this problem out in the field with X, Y, and Z, my metrics is showing me we have a problem. You build the trust, you have the dialogue, you have the commitment, accountability goes with it. Metrics goes with it. Results through the roof. Are you ready to go back and drive again? Let's go drive! One of these for you and one for your partner. These are called communications handcuffs. They represent exactly what we go through on a day-to-day basis with communication. This is exactly how people think and react versus evaluate and respond. You're not allowed to untie either rope at any level, and your objective is to communicate and get out of the communication bind you're in. Ready? Begin. How many of you just started jumping all over each other? How many? Is this the way you work out on the field? The question is, how many of you thought about evaluating first? Evaluate first. What's our objective? I got some good news. Just like problems out on the road, this is a very easy puzzle to do. It requires that you think way outside the rope. Anytime you guys have a problem to be solutions-based, you just must remember knowing when to let go. You're often so close to a solution that you forget to know when to let go. You have to know when to let go. You just have to remember to evaluate, write it down, gain metrics, then make sure that you are able to solve the problem. We wish you all the very best with your success and your sustained efforts. I can only imagine what it's like being out there in the world like you are. And yet you are loved, and it's a big deal what you represent back here in the Hotel California. As applied materials, so goes the world. Thank you. Let's go downstairs. Bravo, bravo, bravo.